Hey everyone, welcome to Just Garaging It. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on this GMC Sierra 1500 with a 3-liter Duramax. And this can be done in anyone's driveway. Today we're doing it up on a hoist. It definitely helps out. You do it with very few tools. So this is pretty much all you need. You're going to need your engine oil. This truck takes 0.20 Dexos D. I chose to go with Amsoil because it's cheaper than the AC Delco and it seems like it's a higher quality oil. You're going to need 7 quarts. You're going to need an oil filter wrench, premium oil filter, and you're going to need a 15mm socket. Okay, let's get right into it. Come under the truck here. Right here is going to be your oil plug. It's your oil drain, and here's your oil filter. Got my oil pail here to catch everything. You're going to definitely want a pail or a drain pan. You can do this in your driveway, anywhere. But you definitely want to not get any on the ground. It makes a big mess. Now you can see we got all the oil draining out of it, and that stuff is dirty. Definitely dirty used oil. Thank God we're putting fresh stuff in it. Okay, so now that we got the oil drained out of it, we're going to want to put the drain plug back in. There we go. And the torque spec on this is 18 foot-pounds, but if you don't have a torque wrench, just make sure it's snug, not too tight. You don't want to strip it out. Next, we're going to go and we're going to take that oil filter off. So the next step, you're going to want to get your oil filter wrench. Get it up here. It's kind of a snug fit. Got to kind of fit it over here. You're going to loosen your filter. Until it's hand tight, and then you're going to loosen that off. Let the oil come out. As slow as you can get your catch pan in place. Mine, I'm using a 5-gallon pail on an old snap-on stool. Always seems to do the trick. Got it, right in the pail. Let that drain, take the filter off. When taking off the oil filter, be very careful the O-ring doesn't stick to the top there. This one just stuck pretty good. Good thing I looked, because or else it would have doubled up the O-ring and it would have leaked. Now we're ready to fill the oil filter. I know some people don't really care about filling the oil filter. I like to fill the oil filter just because. This way you know that the engine's getting proper lubrication right away. It doesn't have to prime the oil system. It's already got fresh oil. Lubricate the O-ring here with oil so it goes on nice and smooth and you'll be able to get it off. I always put my date on the bottom of the oil filter so I know when it was last changed. And I like to log everything. Okay, get that filter up into place. You can see that. So this filter's full of oil. There's no double O-ring. Get it nice and snug by hand and then just tighten it a little bit with your filter wrench. Okay, now that we got all the oil drained, we got the drain plug torqued, got the oil filter changed. Now we're under the hood. I'll remove the fill cap, grab a clean funnel, and you're going to want to start adding 7 quarts of oil. There we go, got the good stuff. Engine bay is a little bit dirty in this truck. I got to give her a little cleaning, but does the trick. And I do my oil change every 10,000 kilometers. Okay, now I'm just pouring in my last quart of oil. I'm only going to pour half a quart in. Put half a quart in, I'm going to check the level, make sure everything's okay. Got my trusty rag. Wipe it all off so you can get a good reading on it. Looks like we could use a little bit more, so we're going to put the rest of that other half a quart in. Put that other half a quart. Now we're going to check it again. And in between oil changes, it shouldn't really go down a whole lot. It should go down a little bit. I don't know if you can see that there. It's kind of hard to see. I'll grab my... Won't focus, but oil is nice and clean, right filled to the top. Now we can go ahead and put the cap on. We can go run the engine. Make sure we don't have any leaks. Cap is on. And let me know in the comments if you want to see me put any bolt-ons on this truck. See a lot of guys running the S&B cold air intake in it. They're running the resonator delete on the back there. All these, a lot of guys are switching these to the silicone charge tubes and elbows. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. Now we're going to do the oil life reset. You don't want to start your truck up. Dismiss the hood. So you go to your steering wheel buttons here. You're going to go to the right. Once you're at your main screen, go to the right and you just scroll down. Oil life. You're just going to hold this button down. Oil life reset, and that's it.